our new leadership team with Starsky and Maripol. Yeah, both of them. Then we have as coordinator and treasurer, we have Lucy Kunakova with Czech origins. And our new coordinator and old Secretary General, Marc Gergen. And as members of the board, we have, in alphabetical order, I think, me. Then we have Gerald. Then we have Dan, Camille, and Joe. So that's the new board of PPLU. And now I'm very happy to announce that the buffet is open. I got told that if anybody is vegan or vegetarian, there are special arrangements. Please address yourself to Natalie and she will direct you to the right food for you, and so that you don't eat my food.